Hi everyone, today we are going to make some very realistic wine glass in Nomad, and you can see that it is looking very amazing, super realistic. And how we are going to design that one, I'm going to show you in this video. You need to follow only few steps. Okay, I'm just going to make a new document here, and let's do that. I'm going to make new, and yes, and here we have a simple sphere which we don't need that one. We are going to come into layer and delete that one. Okay, now I have deleted that, and it is front. We will come in lathe and in curve, and I'm going to now draw simple glass shape here. How we are going to draw that exactly like this one, and we are going to modify a little bit. Let me just undo that, and let me see if everything is fine. Yeah, I need a hole. Yeah, that is okay. Otherwise we can also just make simple modification here. Let me click the front and come here, and we are going to add like that, and maybe I'm going to just adjust few points here only, and it will be fine. Now for example, if I'm going to show you, it looks like that one. Okay, now see. And what we are going to do, just let me once again remove the hole. Now it looks cool. Now see, it is amazing. We can also adjust a little bit its size, etc., for example, but let me undo that and see what else we have. And just let me remove the hole once again and front. Now I'm going to little bit adjust the glass, and you can check that. You can do that easily. And here is how I have done everything. Okay, now in bottom I'm going to just a little bit increase. Maybe I need here simple that line, possibly increase the size, and that's it. Okay, now we come into material and reflection, make it paint glass, and now you can see it is already paint glass, and I don't need hole maybe, and you can adjust it. For example, if I'm come to that glass, how much reflection you need, you can just adjust that one. Now let me flip my tablet and you will see exactly what I'm doing here. And here I have flipped that, and once I'm going to bring it here, the material and index reflection, you can see how much reflection you need, you can do that one. And now I can only do one more thing, since it is it looks like a block of different boxes collected, and therefore we are going to just subdivide that one and validate, and we need subdivision. Okay, and I'll come here and subdivide. You will see that it will looks good then. Subdivision, now see the reflection will look good. We will make like that one. Now it is completely looking like a glass. And what else I am going to do, we are going to make it front, and see, the front looks more amazing. Now I need to just make the vine as well. For that I have to come to lathe and curve, and we are going to draw simple vine, and here how it looks. And I'm going to make it a little curve as well, because the vine should be a little bit curve. And next I'm going to move that into glass, and you can see that it is little bit higher. Maybe this one, yes. Now little bit that one, adjusting to see that how it looks. Yeah. Maybe it is a little bit high. Here I can also decrease. Yeah, exactly. Now it looks good. Front, I will come into front and come to material. Maybe in material I can select the material which I have, that one, and just paint all. You will see it is paint all. Now I need to select the glass, then I can adjust the reflection as well. See how much I need the reflection and how the glass should looks. Its originality will, you can see its originality. Maybe I can adjust the vine, select the vine, and I can take its level a little bit. Yeah, since I need that to look a little bit good. Yes, exactly, I have adjusted everything. Now it looks good front. And again, you can only need the reflection and everything else. For example, if I come to the process, and here in lighting you have different lighting, maybe you can adjust any lighting, but I have the second one which I have selected. And again we are going to come in post processing and select the post processing. You can see that it is full resolution mix samples, and maybe render, and we can make a little bit adjustment here. Debug field, everything else is fine. And now it looks good, and I have to change the light as well. Maybe, yeah, that is also looking good. See how realistic it is looking. But different one, yeah, that is also cool, looking very nice, amazing. But I like that one, and we are going to adjust the background color as well, since we need a little bit realistic background. And see, now that is how you are going to make. For example, I'm going to just rotate that one, and that is how you can make a realistic glass in Nomad with one simple looking step. I hope you liked that video. If you have any problem, just write that in comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.